Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. How to create your online marketing video for less than $100. It's a bit of a catch, 22. Your business needs a video to start selling, but you need to sell to afford to have a video done, which is why you'll want to read on. There are plenty of options and you can actually get your online marketing video going for less than $100 with this step-by-step guide. Write a script. 1. The basis for a good video begins with the script, so take your time and get this part right. You want to capture the viewer's attention, tell what your business is about in a way that's easy to understand, and keep your visitors engaged. You might do a video that shows your viewers how to do something or explains how to fix something. Don't forget to close with your company name and invite your viewers to call you, sign up, buy something or whatever the next step is. Record your voiceover, too. Once your script is complete, you need to do the voiceover. You'll need a decent microphone, a space that's echo-free, and a good voice. If you don't have a good voice, recruit family or friends to help you out here. You can also hire a pro to do the voiceover. Create the necessary visuals. 3. Before you start to create your visual assets, you'll need to complete your video. It's helpful to brainstorm and create a written storyboard with your script to see how it best plays out. If your video is not going to be live, there are a number of ways of getting still video footage. Sites like Getty or iStockPhoto have thousands of images that are royalty-free. If you have your own camera, you can take your own images. If you are giving directions or doing how-to videos, you can also use screen capture. Editing your video. 4. Now you need to put all of it together. Here's where you bring your project to life. Most professionals use Adobe After Effects, but there are some other cheaper options like Camtasia or PowerPoint. The software is fairly easy to learn. Add SFX and/or music. 5. Next, you'll want to add any special sound effects or music. However, remember, it is not legal to just pick a song and use it. There are many stock music websites online, so you can purchase royalty-free tracks for under $50. Make sure your music track doesn't drown out your voice track. Fading in and out is a nice technique that adds a professional touch. Step 6. Publish your online marketing video. That's it. You're ready to publish. YouTube is the most popular site for publishing. The MPEG-4 format is ideal for high definition. Make sure your video has a good title and description. Also, make sure that you do a good job with your tags so that the right people find you. There you have it. 6 steps to get your first online marketing video up and running, and all for under $100. Click link below to learn more. Learn more at uni24x7.com. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net